inviting everyone to please tune in and don't tune out. Hello buddy, so this is Marvin. I am a public school teacher. Recently created this channel specifically to help students explore the basics of the English language. I am pretty sure that this channel will help them grow as a learner in terms of problems they are facing with the basics of the English language. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell below and hit the like and type your comment. And asahan ko na magbabalik kayo dito lagi. Hello buddy, so I would just like to thank the people who have recently liked my newly created YouTube channel. Thank you for considering my request and hope that this channel will help you